And here we have the Hunter Classic Rain Boot. Kids' first classic rain boot. And we've got the green and the silver. So let's check these out right here. Very nice rain boot. Very quality rubber. Made in Great Britain. This is what the inside looks like. So definitely keep your feet nice and dry. This is what the bottom grips look like. A little bit different of a grip. Okay. You want to try on a pair? We'll check them out.
Let's try the silver one.
Not just silver. Okay, let's put the silver on. Slips on very easily. Easily on and off. Not only for rain, but for any type of play and activity. All right, how do they feel? You like them?
Yes.
Okay, you're going to try it on the green ones now? Let's put on the green ones and see what those look like. This is the Star Cloud. So if you want to check out Star Cloud, you can check out that listing as well. So green, or put on the green here. And take a walk down there and come back. Okay. So that's what they look like. Okay, let's spin around, see what it looks like. Spin. Oh, fast spin. Okay. Yeah, so there we go. The Hunter Classic Rain Boot. Very nice. Multiple colors and multiple sizes available. If you want to check that out, I'll link it up down below the video, and you can get a pair for your kids and maybe some presents for this holiday season.